Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts. Are you pumped up for April gardening? I sure am. Today, I'm bringing you some mind-blowing hacks that will totally transform your gardening game this April. Get ready to take your garden from ordinary to extraordinary with these epic tips tailored just for this time of year. Let's dive in and make your garden the envy of the neighborhood. Plant pals, did you know that some plants are like best buddies for each other? Yep, it's true. By planting certain plants together, you can help them grow better and keep pests away. So, why not try planting tomatoes and basil side by side? They make a great team and will thrive together. Plus, you'll have fresh ingredients for pasta sauces right in your backyard. Seed tape magic? Tired of squinting and trying to space out those tiny seeds perfectly? Say hello to DIY seed tape. It's a game changer, trust me. All you need is some biodegradable toilet paper, flour, water, and your seeds. Mix up a paste with the flour and water, dab it on the toilet paper. Place your seeds, fold, and boom, custom seed tape ready to roll. Epsom salt boost? Want to give your plants a little extra love? Whip up a batch of homemade Epsom salt fertilizer. It's super easy, just mix some Epsom salt with water and give your plants a drink once a month. They'll thank you with big, beautiful blooms and lush green leaves. It's like magic in a bottle. Coffee grounds galore. Before you toss those coffee grounds in the trash, hold up! They're like gold for your garden. Sprinkle them around your plants as a natural mulch to keep moisture in, weeds out, and pests away. Plus, your garden will smell amazing like a coffee shop right in your backyard. Upcycled planters, who says you need fancy pots for your plants? Not me. Get creative and upcycle some household items into unique planters. Old mason jars, tin cans, even broken teacups, the possibilities are endless. Not only will you save some cash, but you'll also add a personal touch to your garden decor. Weed wars, ready to battle those pesky weeds? Say no more. Whip up a homemade weed killer with just vinegar, dish soap, and salt. It's safe for your garden and packs a punch against weeds. Just spray it on those suckers and watch them wither away without harming your precious plants. In-barrel magic? Want to save water and money? Set up a rain barrel to collect rainwater for your garden. It's easy, just place a barrel under your gutter downspout and let Mother Nature do the rest. You'll have free, natural irrigation for your garden all season long and a greener planet to boot. Bug busters. Keep those creepy crawlies at bay with natural pest control. Plant fragrant herbs like lavender, mint, and rosemary to repel pests like aphids and mosquitoes. And don't forget to invite some beneficial insects to the party by planting flowers like marigolds and sunflowers. It's like having your own bug army, but in a good way. Pruning party? Give your plants a little TLC with some spring pruning. Trim away dead or diseased branches to promote healthy growth and improve airflow. Your plants will thank you with fresh new growth and abundant blooms. It's like giving them a haircut for spring. Compost tea time. Treat your plants to a nutritious snack with homemade compost tea. Just soak some compost in water, strain out the solids, and feed it to your plants. They'll gobble it up and reward you with strong, healthy roots and vibrant, happy foliage. It's like a spa day for your plants. So there you have it, folks, epic April garden hacks to take your gardening game to the next level. Get out there, get your hands dirty, and let's make this April the best one yet for your garden.